Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro USD. The Euro recovered some ground on Tuesday as the dollar slide after data signaled the US economy might be cooling, tempering bet of a large interest hike by the Federal Reserve next month. Dollar dipped after data showed US home sales fell in July and private sector activity contracted again in August. Despite this, today the initiative can go to the sellers. Pressure on the euro will continue to be exerted by rising gas prices, which increases the likelihood of an energy crisis in Europe. In addition, the ECB still does not intend to actively fight inflation by rising interest rates. Immediate support is seen at 0.9940, break below could take a pair towards 0.9850. Next, GBP USD. Sterling was slightly high against the dollar on Tuesday after purchasing managers index data from Britain showed that the business activity slowed in the line with expectations. The PMI composite flash estimate dropped to 50.9 in August from 52.1 in July. Economist polled had forecast the index would fall to 51.1. The pound hit a fresh local low versus the greenback early in the session to concerns that Britain's PMI data would have kept the pound without any solid flow against the dollar. Pressure on the pound is also being exerted by expectations that inflation in England will exceed 18% at the beginning of the next year, which will further slow down consumer demand. Immediate support is seen at 1.1770. A break below could take the pair towards 1.1650. And finally, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar strengthened against the greenback on Tuesday, recovering from its lowest level in nearly 6 weeks. As oil prices rose and investors weighed US economic data that could reduce expected tightening by the Federal Reserve. US crude oil futures settled 3.7% higher at $94 a barrel, while the US dollar pulled back from a fresh two-decade high against the euro. Market participants believe that in the coming days the impact of oil of the Canadian dollar will be significant, given that oil continues to rise. The Canadian dollar has an opportunity to strengthen its position. Immediate support is seen at 1.2950, break below could take the pair towards 1.2850. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.